we have to describe a procedure which is not cosmetic surgery, but it is much deeper, much psychological importance. It's the reconstruction of the hymen, which is a reconstruction of the person itself. Many patients need to be virgin. They had maybe a story with a man, and this man has left, and so they stayed like that, and they want to resume, they want to reintegrate themselves, they want to restore their integrity. So they have to do that. They say that it is very important for them because it's going to make the past, to forget the past that they could regret, and they want to give them, that this intervention gives them the possibility to have a future with a man who wants them virgin. It is a matter of social matter, it is a familiar matter, and we have to understand them, because many times, and most of the times, they are very touching persons. They come in the office and they cry. They cry because they don't have any other solution to continue their life and to be loved by a man who has maybe the same opinions. They come from all the origins. Their opinions are respectable. We have to respect them. And as surgeons, we have to give them a solution. Without this solution, they cannot live easily. And some of them say that they want to commit suicide because their life doesn't exist anymore. And this is a very problematic thing, that today we have this solution and we have to take care of that, of these patients.